and welcome to OneSub Tutorials. I'm Yashash here, a team lead here at OneSub, and today I'll walk you through the steps to set up a compliance BCC email in OneSub to receive all customer-facing notifications for your scheduled meetings. So, without any further ado, let's dive straight into it. Before we begin, please note that you need to be on an admin account and only admins can add a compliance BCC email in OneSub. Once you're in as an admin, this is the home page you would be taken to. From this home page, click on the gear icon on the top right and select Settings and Permissions. On the Settings and Permissions page, look for Compliance BCC emails and type in the email address on which you'd like to receive a copy of all outgoing customer email and SMS notifications. Once you have entered the email address, hit the Save button. Once done, you can test it out by scheduling a test booking on one of your booking links and checking the mailbox to see if an email copy has been received on it or not. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you have added your compliance BCC email in OneSub to receive all your customer notifications. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.